I'm Vanessa from Sydney. So we've just been on the Sounds of Silence, which is a sunset dinner out in the desert with champagne overlooking the rock as the sun sets, which was a great end to a really big day and really gave us that view of the rock from the distance. And then good food and meeting lots of people who'd had the same kind of experience and learning about the stars over the desert. It was awesome. I think the Desert Awakenings probably met my expectations. The view of the rock with the champagne is always nice at the end of a long day, but meeting lots of different people and then understanding the stars that we're sitting under was good. I'd never tried crocodile before, that was good, but it was more about the experience of being out there. The highlight of the Sounds of Silence was the Star Talk. So we got the Western astrology and then the cultural mythology of the local Ananu people. So it was great to have both of those things together. I think Sounds of Silence is one of those things that you shouldn't miss. I think you'd regret it if you missed it, so definitely worth doing.